Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and if sweater weather is your favorite season, then you have to check out this sweater by CiCiBird. This sweater is so versatile and looks good doing all of it. And it does have a hood. I love that this sweater is oversized. So this is nice and loose. I did get the medium, which is the normal size that I wear. When I first put it on, it was a little bigger than I thought it would be. But after I washed and dried it, it shrunk up just a bit and now it is the perfect size. I like that I'm able to wear it with jeans or leggings and it still has nice bum coverage. And whether I'm wearing it with tennis shoes or boots, it's going to look great. The sweater is nice and squishy. It has a great length for the sleeves. Overall, this sweater is easy to say yes to because of the style and the comfort. And that is my point of view.